Hello, my name is Simon. I'm from English Philology and I came here from Łomża, from Poland. I always wanted to see Turkey. I'm very curious about different cultures and I'm happy that I'm here. If you want to choose English Philology, I would recommend it for you because it's very important in these days to speak in English. Hi everyone, my name is Simon, I'm from Poland, from Łomża University. I'm happy to study in KARABÜK now. I choose this place because I wanted always to see another cultures and it's very beautiful. If you want to study English philology or something else, I will recommend for you the KARABÜK University because it gives very good education. That's all, goodbye.